Brand new one. You're going to get a brand new one in a few weeks. See, every time she taps the cotton comes out. Hi. Is there anything you want to tell us? You want your phone?
This is your phone. Yes, it is.
Okay, well, alright, we'll look for it. We'll just set this one over here.
She's gonna wear off.
What's the matter?
You broke your phone.
No. It's okay. You're getting a brand new one, remember? You're in your room.
Why?
Where would you rather be?
I have to get my wisdom teeth taken out.
You already got them out. This morning. An hour ago. That's why you feel so funny.
That's why you're crying. What happened after?
Right now happens after. This. What we're doing right now happens after.
She doesn't remember going home.
We drove in the car.
What?
You were awake.
That's actually a really scary feeling.
You just don't remember. Poor baby.